Hello, may I see your tickets?
Yes, you may, my lady. Here you go. One ticket for one extremely kind ticket person.
Sir. That is not a ticket.
Wait, what? My buddy here gave me the tickets earlier.
Sir. A crumpled up picture of Little B is not a plane ticket.
Hacks, I'm going to fucking murder you.
Do not worry, my fam, I got this. An enemy of the based god is an enemy of mine. Be gone, thought.
I'm calling the police if you two fucks don't leave now. I don't get paid enough for this job.
My friend is in the bathroom right now. He should be done soon. There you are, Hacks. Want to play foot tickling?
Let me smoke up this blunt first.